homemade guava jam. To make homemade guava jam, I am using 12 guava that was washed. Remove the head and the bottom and then cut into pieces, but make sure to search for worms. I am also using just a small piece of ginger. Put the guava pieces into a food processor along with the ginger and then blend. Now scrape the mixture into a container. I use about a cup of water or a little over a cup of water. Now strain the mixture to get rid of all the seeds. And I strain the mixture twice, just to ensure that all the seeds are removed. Okay, so now it's time to add sugar. Brown sugar is traditionally used in Jamaica. However, I am using granulated sugar and I don't want it to be extremely sweet, so I am not adding a lot. Now give it a good stir. So I'm straining the mixture one more time into a sauce pot. And then I'm going to put the sauce pot on medium-low heat to simmer until the jam thickens. Okay, so I did add the juice of one lime, but I thought I was recording. Obviously not. So if you will be following this recipe at this point, add the juice of one lime. Simmer the jam on low heat and covered and stir constantly to prevent the jam from burning. At this point, the jam is almost ready. And you know when it is ready, when you make a streak with one of your finger and the jam stays in place, as you can see. So I am going to remove it from the heat. I allow the jam to cool down for about 10 minutes and then I am pouring the jam into a clean mason jar. and allow it to cool completely before closing the jar. So this is my homemade guava jam. Listen, there's nothing quite like homemade, no preservative. When you're eating this, you don't have to be considering what you're, putting into your body. Everything right, yeah, so you know what in there, just guava, ginger, and a little bit of sugar and water. The jam contains no preservatives, therefore its shelf life is really short. So the jam will expire in 2 weeks. But nothing wrong, you can always make some more, you don't know. Yo, guava has a very distinctive scent and taste. So you pair that with the ginger. I can't stop talking about that. Magnificent, man. You should try the guava jam with the ginger. And you can add more ginger if you want. It's just because my husband don't really like ginger, so I don't put a lot. So you can, add more ginger, but not too much because you don't want the ginger to be overwhelmed, right? You just want it to blend in. Yeah, so that's it. Guava jam, homemade guava jam, and bread, and Excelsior tough crackers. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Walk good until next time. Stay blessed, and please subscribe.